Welcome to the top best. The best fruitcakes review is probably one of the most polarizing desserts out there. You either love them or you hate them, right? But before you make up your mind, join me as we dive deep into the world of fruitcakes. We'll explore what makes a fruitcake truly great, from the quality of ingredients to the perfect balance of flavors and textures. Get ready to discover some hidden gems and maybe, just maybe, change your mind about this classic treat. Number 5. Claxton Fruitcake Sampler, Regular and Dark Duo. Introducing the Claxton Fruitcake Sampler. This delightful duo includes both the regular and dark fruit cake recipes. Each cake is individually wrapped to preserve its freshness. You'll receive 1 pound each of the classic regular and rich dark fruit cakes. They are perfect for sharing or savoring yourself. This sampler offers a taste of both delicious recipes. Each cake is carefully wrapped to maintain its moist texture and flavor. This ensures that every slice is as fresh as the day it was made. It's a convenient way to enjoy the cakes. The sampler is beautifully presented in a new Claxton gift carton. It's perfect for gifting to friends and family. The packaging adds a touch of elegance. These fruitcakes are packed with over 70% choice fruits and nuts by weight. They are made with high-quality ingredients. You can taste the difference in every bite. What we like. This sampler offers both regular and dark fruitcakes, providing a delightful variety. The individual wrapping ensures freshness, making it perfect for sharing or savoring over time. If you are looking for a convenient and diverse fruitcake experience, you should consider this one. What people say. Delicious fruitcake with an excellent variety of fruits and nuts. These cakes are moist and fruity, not too nutty. It's chock full of nuts and fruit, moist and fresh, and it tastes great. Number 4. Trappist Abbey Fruitcake, Moist and Rich Christmas Cake. Indulge in the rich tradition of the Trappist Abbey fruitcake. This exquisite cake is perfect for the holidays. It's a delightful treat for any occasion. Crafted with care in Lafayette, Oregon, this fruitcake embodies quality and tradition. The cake is made with the finest ingredients. Experience the moist and rich texture of this Christmas cake. It's made with fresh nuts, dried fruits, dairy butter, and spices. You'll love every bite. Each loaf is aged in 120 proof brandy, enhancing its flavor. This process ensures a depth of flavor that is truly exceptional. Made in small batches to ensure the highest quality. This ensures that each cake meets the highest standards. It's a gift of pure indulgence. Presented in a decorative gift box, it's the perfect gift. Share the joy of this delicious fruitcake with your loved ones. What we like. This fruitcake is known for its moist and rich texture, enhanced by aging in brandy. The small batch production guarantees quality and attention to detail. If you like a fruitcake with a sophisticated flavor profile and a touch of tradition, you should consider this one. What people say. Loaded with nuts and fruit. A small slice goes a long way. It tasted like the kind of fruitcake I had as a child back in the 60s before American palates had been dulled by corn syrup and bleached flour. Sometime since then, the store-bought fruitcakes had really become dumbed-down affairs. Number 3. Assumption Abbey Fruitcake in Traditional Tin, 2 pounds. Introducing the Assumption Abbey Fruitcake. This dark, rich traditional-style fruitcake is made by Trappist monks in a small monastery. The monks in Ava, Missouri, carefully craft this cake. It's a perfect balance of cake, nuts, fruit, and rum. This fruitcake offers a delightful blend of flavors and textures. You'll savor every bite of it. This 2-pound cake is perfect for sharing. It's backed by popular demand and available year-round. Enjoy this classic treat. It's a delicious choice for any occasion. What we like. This fruitcake offers a dark, rich, and traditional experience, crafted by monks. It strikes a perfect balance between cake, nuts, fruit, and rum. If you are looking for a classic fruitcake with a unique origin and a well-balanced flavor, you should consider this one. What people say. The cake is filled with nuts and fruit, both of which are extremely expensive. The dark cake is moist and delicious. It was fresh, full of nuts, fruit, and goodness. Perfect weight and not dense like a brick as some are. Excellent cake, no shortage of nuts and fruit and spirits. Dense and rich, moist. Number 2. Claxton Fruitcake 3 to 1 pound, regular recipe loaves. Since 1910, this has been a global favorite. It's renowned for its old-fashioned goodness and holiday charm, making it the choice of millions. This pack contains 3 1-pound dark recipe cakes. Each cake is individually wrapped to maintain its freshness. It's all presented in our signature red and white striped carton. To experience the perfect flavor and ultimate freshness, store it in the fridge. Unwrap it just before eating to enjoy the delicious taste. This dark recipe cake boasts over 70% choice fruits and nuts. It includes California raisins, pineapple, papaya, pecans, cherries, walnuts, almonds, and citrus peel. This is ideal for holidays, gatherings, or daily indulgence. Enjoy it alone, with a beverage, or as a unique festive addition to any event. What we like. This pack contains 3 individually wrapped regular recipe fruitcakes. It's a global favorite since 1910, known for its old-fashioned goodness. If you are looking for a fruitcake to share or enjoy over multiple occasions, you should consider this one. What people say. Claxton dark is good. It has a very good amount of quality ingredients. It has a good flavor and is pretty moist. Number 1. Claxton Fruitcake 3-pack. Since 1910, this has been a global favorite. It's renowned for its old-fashioned goodness and holiday charm, and it's the choice of millions. This pack contains 3 1-pound cakes. Each cake is individually wrapped to maintain its freshness, and presented in a signature red and white striped carton. For the best experience, store it in the fridge. Unwrap the cake just before eating to enjoy the perfect flavor and ultimate freshness. The regular recipe includes over 70% choice fruits and nuts. These include California raisins, pineapple, papaya, pecans, cherries, walnuts, almonds, and citrus peel. It's ideal for holidays, gatherings, or daily indulgence. Enjoy it alone, with a beverage, or as a unique festive addition to any occasion. What we like. This pack contains 3 individually wrapped dark recipe fruitcakes. It's a global favorite since 1910, known for its old-fashioned goodness. If you are looking for a fruitcake to share or enjoy over multiple occasions, you should consider this one. What people say. Claxton dark is good. There is a very good amount of quality ingredients. It has a good flavor and is pretty moist. The pictures are a very accurate representation of what I received. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.